Hi everyone, it's Adam Ward, and this video is going to show you how you can share your blog posts and get them socially syndicated um, over the social network. So this is a lesson specifically for Empower Network customers, but this will work for literally any website. So here's a current blog that I just did, and so we're going to use a tool here, and I'm going to show you two options. The newest version of Social Media Bar, which is a social syndication website, is really easy. So all you need to do is navigate to socialmediabar.com and then actually grab the link URL for your blog post that you want to syndicate over the social network. So here's mine, right? So I'm going to grab that. Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC to copy that, just so you know. So then we're going to go over there to socialmediabar.com, and we're going to post it in here and hit this Go Viral button. So what that's going to do is it's going to grab some metadata from the post itself, and it's going to fill in these fields that you used to have to manually fill in. So here's the destination URL. Here is the new URL that's going to be created that you're going to use. Socialmediabar.com was blocked by Facebook and Google+, so what they've done now is they've created this new URL called SMB01. I'm going to assume that if Facebook blocks this URL, that they will redirect all the SMB01s to SMB02. That's just my thought. Anyway, back to the tutorial here. So you can see that it's added the same heading of your existing blog link. So down here, it's going to pick up the title, and down here, this is looks like the page description is also picking up the title. So you might want to just go back to the blog itself. I like grabbing the first paragraph of my blog and putting it in that title area. It's up to you. You can leave it there if you want, or do nothing. It's up to you. There's that. So now, this is the default image, right? So when you go to Facebook and you see, let me go to a blog here. So for instance, like this one right here. So Michelle is using badass content, and we're going to talk about that one right after Social Media Bar as a second option. And you'll see Julia is using My Social Empire. So this is the picture that I'm talking about, right? This is a smaller version of the picture. So you can see here's a small picture, big picture. So Social Media Bar, I'm going to see how this one shows up here. I'm going to test this particular link that I'm doing in our blogging section to see how it shows up, because this is brand new. Social Media Bar just changed their format. So back to this, okay? So the image URL, this is going to be the default, and sometimes it'll pick up metadata from the blog, but it looks like it's not right now. So like for instance, okay, so here's a picture, right? That's my that's not even a JPEG, I don't think. Look at this, super long. So the one thing that you can do is you can actually go out to Google Images. So that was about mobile blogging. So let me just put this in and show you how this works. Google search. If you're logged into Google Plus, you will see this navigation bar up here. If you're not logged in, you'll see this. So what you want to do is you want to click on images, right? Okay, so here are some images of mobile blogging. So let's just take this image right here, okay? And so I clicked on it, right? So what you want to do now is you actually want to get the link URL for that actual picture wherever it lives on the internet. So the way that you do that, you can do it one of two ways. If you click on it, it's going to take you to wherever it lives in the website page. And then you can actually find the image, right-click on it, and view image. When you view the image, it's going to show you the actual link of the actual image where it lives on the internet. So all you need to do is you need to grab this URL, the link URL for the picture. It's that simple. Go back over to social media bar and paste that bad boy in there. Okay? So once you've done that, now if you don't want to do any of that, maybe you want to work your way up to that, then just use this link, but understand that every post that you do is going to have this, the same picture, right? A picture is better than no picture, so you either choose that or find one on the web and grab the link URL. Just make sure that the link URL has like a JPEG, or let's see if let's get rid of that, delete. Yeah, it doesn't. It used to say, you can use a PNG, you can use a JPEG, or you can use, I believe, a GIF, GIF. So the image is in there now. You just create viral link. Click this button down here, and it's going to create a cloaked link that is also going to have sharing on it, so you can share it out to the social network. So here is the link, right? So let's click on it. Make sure it's going to work. Okay. So now here is my Empower Network blog, but it's embedded now and cloaked in this SMB01 with the same header as my Empower Network blog post, right? But now you can post this on Facebook. So before I show you these social sharing buttons, let me just grab that link, go back over to Facebook. So we're in our particular blogging group, but let's say this was your wall or your business page. And then you would post that link in there, wait for it to do something, and so it looks like it's not showing the picture, right? Let me post this and make sure. I think it would show the picture right now. Let's see. Okay, so it's not showing the picture right now, so that is a little bit of a glitch for social media bar. So I'm going to show you one other option. So this is option number one. The nice part about social media bar, and hopefully they'll get that fixed, but let's go back to the actual post here. Now you'll see this bar that just drops down, and you can actually click these links up here, and you can share those to your social networks right from this. So you've done the blog once, you've created it in social media bar, and now you can share it out to Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. That is, I think that's an email. I don't know why that's showing like that. And this is share with your friends. Don't know what that is. Maybe one of you do, but I don't. So this is the first way that you can share it on your social websites. Let me just see if I click Google Plus there, if the picture is going to show up. So you see the picture showing up here. So that's encouraging. Let me just actually get out of there and go back to here and try this one more time. Let me refresh the page here, and let's try that one more time. Okay, so it's working. You can see the picture. It was just a little glitch, right? So once this is here, let me give you one more tip. You can wipe out the link up here, and just you can either just leave it blank, or you can put something like whatever you want, right, up there. Completely up to you. New social media bar link creator. Okay, so and I post, and there it is. All right, cool. So this is the new social media bar. This is what it's going to look like. Pretty dang cool, right? So the one other, I don't want to make this video too long, but the one other tool that you can use is badasscontent.com. So if you go to badasscontent, okay, the one thing you need to know about Badass Content is it's essentially going to create the same thing, except Badass Content is controlled by Empower Network, where Social Media Bar is controlled by an independent affiliate of Empower Network. They basically do the same thing. Right here, you want to click that Create Link manually if you're going to use Badass Content. See how it's the same thing, but it doesn't fill all the fields in for you. So you're going to want to go out and put the link in here, and then grab some of the title and put it in here. Put your page title, description, and image URL. Click Create Link. So the difference between the two, if you're wondering, let me go down here and show you. So for instance, this one here, I'm going to click on Michelle's blog here. This is badass content, and you'll see that you only have 3 social networks to share it on through here. So you can like it on, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. Versus, that's not what I want. Where is my social media? There it is. So here you've got Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, but you also have LinkedIn and Pinterest. So if you've got LinkedIn and Pinterest accounts and you're using the Badass Content button, then you want to, I lost it now. Then you just want to take that link and manually share it over to LinkedIn and Pinterest. Okay, I hope that was helpful. So that's how you're going to cloak your link and syndicate it through the social networks. Have fun. See you on the next tutorial. Take care.